Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. If you're new to my channel, think about hitting that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join us. We do lots of unboxings, mostly subscription boxes and mystery boxes. But honestly, if it comes in a box, I just like to open them and to share it with you guys. So yes, think about joining my fun group here. Let's go ahead and get started with today's unboxing, which is the Chic Beauty box. Now this is in all... Is it upside down? Seriously, why are you making me look bad over here? Like, I kid you not, you guys. Like, I try to always present these boxes in their best light, and then they're upside down, and I don't even realize it. But this is our Chic Beauty box. This box is a bi-monthly subscription where you will receive 5 full-size beauty products every other month. This one that we are opening up is the March-April combo box. So if you order right now, this is the one that is currently shipping. But we're going to go ahead and check it out because there are variations for this box as well. So we're going to see what's inside of mine. If you're interested in purchasing this subscription box, I will be posting a link down below for you guys. I do not have a discount code for this box. I did ask them though. I sent them an email. I asked them if there's something that we could offer for you guys. I've not heard back yet. So if they do respond to my email after I've made this video, I'll post it down below for you. But if I don't have a code down there, well, you know what happened. So inside, we're going to have a card that talks about our variations. There are 2 variations available for this bi-monthly box. So I never know which one I'm going to get until my box arrives. These are the list of products that could be available. They will do a mixture of high-end brand names and drugstore brand names all in the same box, which I'm absolutely fine with because honestly, beauty is beauty. I want to try all of it. And that's what I like about this subscription is you get a little bit of everything out there. They do not make their own products. They are exclusively getting other brands featured into their box. So we're going to go ahead and just start looking and see what variation we got here. But honestly, based off of these names, I think they're both going to be great. So first up, I have from Revlon. This is their liquid liner. I have it in the shade Mulberry, which is number 103. It looks like a really deep red, like deeper than burgundy even. It's almost like a reddish brown because away from the light, it looks brown. But then when I get it up here in my lights, it does look more reddish. So it's a really dark shade, you guys. So this liner is in everyone's box, no matter the variation. It retails for $9.99. The shade is what could vary from box to box. Now this one says that it lasts up to 24 hours. It is a full-size product as well. And it's a gel liner. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this because I wanna see if you can even tell that there's color on this. I'm not sure, it just looks so dark. I'm worried that it's just gonna show up looking brown, but maybe we'll see it in there or not. So let's do a swatch. Ooh, oh, look at this. It's a wheel. It's like a pizza cutter, you guys. I mean, it's like the world's smallest pizza cutter, but that's what it is. It's a wheel, and we're just supposed to, like, run it? Wheel it? Are we wheeling this on our eyes? I don't know if this is safe. That's the next thing. Okay, a lot of things processing through my brain right now, but this is what it looks like, is a little wheel. And you're supposed to just roll. Shut the front door. It actually worked. I did not expect that to work, you guys. And it's almost straighter than... What? Okay, let me try it again. Okay, I just gotta see. Oh my God. Oh, it's so easy, you guys. Like, this is kind of fun too. I'm going nuts. I'm just gonna have lines everywhere, but look it. It's kind of fun to just draw the lines on. So that's how much product came out, by the way. I just pulled it out of there. I did not re-dip. There's quite a bit of pigment on that wheel, so I'm impressed with that. I have never had an applicator be a wheel before where you actually roll it. So this is very unique. I can definitely see how this would be easier and give you straighter lines as well. I am so used to just drawing on all of my liner by hand and just doing it, but I feel like this could be easier. Next item that we have in the box is Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited for this. Fenty is one of my favorite brands out there. I wear so many Fenty products, you guys. Like literally half my face is Fenty products right now. So very excited to have this brand in the box. This one is their portable highlighter brush. So it's number 140 if you are going to purchase this exact one at Sephora, which it is still there. These brushes are made with really soft bristles. And I know this because I have one of these already. It does have a slight angle to it, but it's not too crazy. And the cool thing about her angled brushes is they're designed to hold on to, like hug onto that cheekbone there. Because since it's a highlighter, you want to actually apply it like right above in this area. And with that angle, it's supposed to curve and really hug tightly to your cheekbones. I feel like it works. I use this product already and I have it in my purse. That way I just have a little touch up if I need it. The only thing that I find difficult about this is if you're looking to put highlighter on in other locations, this is a very wide brush to do that with. So I like to put some highlighter like right on my nose, right on the Cupid's bow right in here. To put this on my Cupid's bow is almost too big. Like it's just... You see what I mean? Like it's just this huge brush against my lips. It's too big. But it's great for here or around your eyebrows. You can touch up your nose just a little bit, but I do feel like in some cases it doesn't work perfectly. But maybe you're not like me and you don't put highlighter everywhere and then it'll be great. So this product, if you were gonna go buy this at Sephora, it retails for $24. Next up, we have Clarance in the box. This is good. This is their Velvet Matte Long Wearing Lipstick, and it's also supposed to be moisturizing at the same time. So the shade that we have is 737, which is their Spicy Cinnamon shade. So you can see that up there. And then, like I said, it is a matte lipstick. Let's look at, oh, okay, this is definitely giving me cinnamon vibes. I always get so nervous with red lips, you guys. Okay, this one, it's not nearly as red as this, but I do think it is a really nice matte lip. I'm just not a red person. I like my pinks and I do like even like the dusty roses, but I don't know. There's something about red lips that are just, they're not for me. But Taylor Swift looks amazing with it and I'm sure others do too, but it's just not my shape. But I do think this is an awesome brand to have in our box. So if you were going to purchase this one, it comes in at $37 for it. And it looks like everyone is receiving this brand inside of their box this month. The only difference will be the shade could vary from box to box. Woo, and we got more Fenty in here. So this is the highlighter, which makes sense because it goes with the brush, you guys. I'm so glad that they did that. So this is a full-size product from Fenty Beauty again. It is the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter. We have the shade Geisha Chic. So here's what the box looks like. This is a very bright highlighter. So just keep that in mind depending on what you like. But I love highlighters, you guys. Like, this is the one product that I will put on. If I don't put anything else on, I will still put highlighter on because I just love it. So here is our gorgeous shade. This one is a really pink flushed tone. So what's nice about this is you could actually incorporate this in with your blush. You could put your blush here and then blend it up, and it's gonna give you this great flushed look. I think this could be really pretty on. Now, I've not used this highlighter, but I have a lot of the other ones from Fenty, and they are gorgeous. They stay on all day. They catch the light beautifully. I like that this is different because now I've got another one in my collection because I'm obsessed, you guys. But this is really cute. $36 for this, you guys. $36 to go buy this at Sephora. And you're getting it for a fraction of the price because it's in subscription box form. And you get the brush now to take with you on the go, so you can take both of these in your purse and look beautiful forever. I love this. Okay, last item inside of our box today, but I'm already thrilled with it. Like, my box could have stopped at that and I'm still happy with what I have, but we do have a fifth product in here. So the next item that I have is from NYX, and it is their Bear With Me Brow Setter. So this is a clear brow gel that you can actually put on and then shape shape your brows into every which way that you want them to be shaped. You can feather them out if you want to as well. It's 6.5 ml, but it is a full-size product. You honestly don't need a lot for a brow gel. Like, it's very little that you need to put on to really get them to stay in place. So this one comes in at $10.99, and it does state that this is only available in variation 2. So that is what I have here today, is variation 2. If you were gonna get variation 1, there's a few different changes with it. So instead of receiving this brow gel, you would actually receive a liner and eyelash set from Eyelure. And instead of receiving the Fenty Beauty highlighter, you could receive an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. But honestly, I think both variations are really good. Now, I'm excited that I got the second one, only because, like I said, I'm a Fenty snob as it is, but I would have been completely happy with the first variation too. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!